Want to check and close tabs on your iPhone? Here's how to do it. First, let's check tabs in Safari. Open Safari. Tap the tabs icon in the bottom right corner. It looks like two overlapping squares. You'll now see all your open tabs. Swipe left on any tab and tap Close, or tap the small X on a tab to close it. To close multiple tabs at once, press and hold Done. Then tap Close All Tabs. If you use private browsing, tap Private at the bottom. Authenticate with Face ID if needed. Then, close those tabs the same way. Now, let's check tabs in Chrome. Open the Chrome app. Tap the square icon with a number at the bottom. This shows all open tabs. Tap the X on any tab to close it. To check incognito tabs, tap the hat and glasses icon at the top. Close them the same way. You can also auto-close Safari tabs. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Safari. Tap Close Tabs. Choose after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. Safari will now close old tabs automatically, and that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.